Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to our new class, a new session, and today we'll discuss everything again about the environment because as we have discussed yesterday that environment is the very important tool for any civil services examination, that could be UPPCS, UPSC, BPSC, MPPSC, Rajasthan PCS or any exams there, because the weightage of environment is increasing day by day. So now that's why we have taken the two subjects over there, that is science and environment, and after that we will move to the geography, because as you have seen yesterday that the day yesterday before that the level of geography has been also increased and the number of questions are asking in a huge amount. That's why now we will move to the next session, and so that is the environment. That is our video number 9. And why these are special? Because in these videos we are telling everything you need to know about the those subjects, about those documents. That's about the environment, and after some time we have discussed about the science. So we will tell you about everything about those subjects. So now that's all about the environment. Our first question is, consider the following statements. So these are statements. Statement 1: in India, red panda is naturally found in the Western Himalayas only. Red panda in India, red panda is naturally found in the Western Himalayas only. Option second is there: in India, only slow loris lives in the dense forest of the northeastern state. Which of the following statements given below is correct? Please answer that question. Everyone who is left there, then please try to attend these questions because these are mandatory. Yeah, these questions are mandatory. So try to attend these questions. If you have any idea about the red panda, or you can say loris, because before some years we have talked about the slender loris. So now you have to answer this question, that which of the following is correct. Now this time 6 people are live there, then please try to attend these questions. Everyone, please try to attend these questions. I am still waiting for your answers. Everyone, the number of live people are increasing day by day, but I don't know why they are not interested in giving answers, because now you are watching this channel, or you can say you are watching these videos, means you have a huge engagement with this channel. So be rational, please. Everyone, please be normal and try to attend these questions. I will take some water. I'm audible. Now I can understand that we have to move in our next question. Madam. Everyone who is live there, please share these videos to your friends, colleagues, or anyone who wants to join these classes. Please send these videos to your friends, colleagues, or anyone who is totally interested or who is eager to be an officer. Then please send these videos to them. Yeah, this is mandatory. Everyone for mandatory. Please send these videos. Share these videos to your friends, family members, colleagues, everyone. Please send them. Okay. This time someone has signed the answer. That's an option 2 only. I don't know about the correct answer. I even means option B. Okay. Wait for some time. Only. After that, now I am waiting for the other answers too. Who is live over there? Yeah. This is more than enough. And now I think I should tell you the correct answer. That which is the correct answer. Now consider the following statements. In India, that is our first statement. Our first statement is, in India, red panda is naturally found in the Western Himalayas only. For your kind information, in India, mainly red pandas are not found. So, and Western Himalayas, it is impossible. So, that's incorrect. Now we'll move to the second option, second question, second statement. In India, snow loris, which is known as snow loris, lives in the dense forest of the northeast. Yeah, it's true that some organisms like slender loris. Some organisms like slender loris, low loris, these are found in the northeastern state. In our seven sisters, in seven sisters, these are mainly found in the Arunachal Pradesh and in the Meghalaya region. So that is why only option 2 is correct. Only option 2 is correct. So anyone who have given that answer, yeah, your answer is totally true. Very good. Now we'll move to the next question. Consider the following international agreements. A, 1. The International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resources for the Food and Agriculture. B, the United Nations Convention to combat desertification. C, the World Heritage Convention. Which of the above has had a bearing on the biodiversity? Wow. Means that question was asking about the biodiversity. Which of the following has a bearing on the biodiversity? Again, I will move to the next question. Next option. The International Treaty on the Plant Genetic Resources for the Food and Agriculture. I don't know, it could be right. Option B. Second, the United Nations Convention on the Combat Desertification, and C, World Heritage Convention. So if you think about that options, then which option is correct or which option is incorrect? So firstly, whenever you have some confusion, then please try to eliminate some options. If you have the capacity to eliminate one or two options, so that will be okay for you. Everyone who is live there, please. This time, 6 people are live. Yeah, this time 6 people are live. Please try to attend these questions. Everyone, yeah, please try to attend these questions. I am still waiting for your answers. That which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Yeah, everyone who's live there, which of the following is correct? 9 people are live there. Again, some Akash Vishkarma saying, sir, all of the above. I don't know all of the above. Is it any options? Yeah, it could be right. I don't know about it. Well, now we'll move to the biodiversity, because words tells about the what being the correct answer. So we have to talk about the biodiversity. The International Treaty on Plant Green Resources for the Food and Agriculture. So whenever we will talk about the biodiversity, so in that condition we have to also think about the food and food, because food is the main need for every organism, because that food doesn't think about only about the human beings. That food is for the whole living organisms, in which various plants are there, various animals are there. So that is correct. That the International Treaty on the Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture means option 1 is correct. B, the United Nations Convention on the Combat Desertification. Yeah, it's also true, because when there will be no desertification, or less desertification, so it will increase the biodiversity. So that's also true. Now, World Heritage Convention. Yeah, it's also true. Why it's true? Because World Heritage Convention also tells about that how we can conserve, or you can say how we can save the biodiversity. So all of the above is correct. So I don't know what is the correct name of that word. That is right. That option D, option 1, 2 and 3, all of them are correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Concerning a conservation organization called wetlands. Wow. Concerning a conservation wetlands called Wetland International, which of the following statement is correct? Means we have to think about the Wetland International, and after that we have to answer these options, that which of the following is correct. Well, option means statement A, it is an intergovernmental organization formed by the countries which are signatories of Ramsar Convention. That could be right. B, it works at the ground level to develop and mobilize knowledge and use of practical experience to advocate for the better policy. Okay, select the correct answers using the codes given below. Again, I am still waiting for your answers. Everyone who is live there, this time 9 people are live there. Please try to answer these questions. Everyone, yeah, please try to answer these questions. Yeah, it's your responsibility. Yeah, it's your responsibility because you are here to study. So you have to answer this question. Okay, concerning a conservation organization called Wetland International. Again, please try to answer these questions. Please try to answer these questions. This time 7 people are live there and I am still waiting for your answers. That which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Yeah, everyone. Which of the following is correct? Now this time everyone is searching. I think everyone is searching for answers. Well, now I will tell you about what is the correct answer. First thing about Wetland International. First thing about what is wetlands? What is wetlands? So wetlands are the areas which have huge biodiversity. Yeah, these have the biodiversity which have huge biodiversity and they have huge nutritive. These have huge nutritive substances for the organism. As well as these wetlands have the capacity to save environment, and also to degrade pollution, So this is all about wetland, and World Wetland Day is celebrated on 2nd of Feb. In the yesterday class, I have discussed that the World Wetland Day will be celebrated on 2nd of Feb. So in that question, we have to think about the Wetland International. It's an organization. Okay, which of the following statement is correct? A, it is an intergovernmental organization formed by the countries which are signatories to the Ramsar Convention. No, that's incorrect because the signatories of Ramsar Convention, all the signatories of Ramsar Convention are not the party of Wetland International. So that's incorrect. Now we'll move to the next second statement. It works at the ground level to develop and mobilize knowledge and use of practical experience to advocate the better policies. Yeah, it could be right. It is right. Why it's right? Because what is the name of that institution? That is Wetland International. If you don't have a single knowledge about that organization, but you can correlate because the name indicating Wetland International, so it will work for those things which could help to develop the wetlands. So the answers are to mobilize knowledge, yeah, and practical experience to develop the better policies. So that is correct. So option 2 is only. So that is B. Now we'll move to the next question. In an ecosystem, wetlands are useful for which of the following? Again, as an ecosystem, wetlands are useful for which of the following? A, for nutrient recovery and recycling. C, for releasing heavy metals through absorption by plants. C, in reducing salination of rivers by collecting sediments. And D, all of the above. Means it's why. Now please answer that question. I'm still waiting for your answers. Everyone, please answer that question. That which of the option is correct? Everyone, please answer that. Please answer that question. This time, yeah, this time 11 people are live. Means the number of students are increasing. This time the number of students are increasing. Again, please answer this. That which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. If you have a single knowledge about the wetlands, so you can if you have a single knowledge, or you can say some knowledge about the wetlands, then you can answer. Are nutrient recovery and recycling? Yeah, wetlands are the good source for the nutrient recovery and recycling. So that's correct. Now B, for releasing heavy metals through absorption by plants. This is also correct. C, in reducing salination of rivers by retaining sediments. That also means all of the above. Option D, all of the above are correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is concerning the wetlands of India. Consider the following statements. A, the country's total geographical area under the category of wetland is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. B, in India, the total geographical areas of coastal wetlands larger than that the total inland areas of wetlands. So, which of the following statements given above are correct? Everyone who is left there, please. Who is left there, then please try to attend these questions. Yeah, everyone who is live there, this time 13 people are live. Please attend these questions. Which of the following are correct? And we have to also think about the wetlands. Yeah, the number of wetland questions are increasing. So now you can understand that why it's important. Why it's important. So now you can understand that why it's important. Why it's important. Yeah, everyone. Concerning the wetlands of India, consider the following statements. Again, well, option is there. The country's total geographical area under the category of wetland is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to other states. Yeah, that could be right. Option B, in India, the total geographical areas of coastal wetlands larger than that of total inland areas of wetlands. Is it possible? No. Only statement 1 is correct. Now, I am still waiting for your answers. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Everyone who is live there, please try to attend these questions. I am still waiting for your answers. Everyone who is live there, then please this time some ASU, so option C. No, I don't think that option C is correct. We will wait some time. Please wait for some time. Yeah. Please wait for some time. After that, we will provide answer of this question. Everyone. It's a simple question. If you have some knowledge about the geography, so you can attend. What is thinking that concerning the wetlands of India, concerning about the wetlands of India, consider the following statements. A, the country's total geographical area under the category of wetland is recorded more in Gujarat. So that's true. That the Gujarat have huge area, or you can say the highest area of wetlands. So that is true. So statement 1 is true. And about the second option, in India, the total geographical area of coastal wetlands larger than that of total inland area of wetlands. Is it possible? No, because it is impossible. Because we have some areas, we have more wetlands area in inland area. So that is incorrect. So only option 1 is correct. So now this is incorrect, this is incorrect. So only option A is correct. Okay. So now we will move to the next question. Our next question is, consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. A, under Ramsar Convention, it is mandatory on the part of Government of India to protect and conserve all the wetlands in the territory of India. B, the Wetlands Convention and Management Rule 2010 were framed by the Government of India based on the recommendations of Ramsar Convention. Third, the Wetlands and Convention Management Rule 2010 also encompasses the drainage area and catchment region of the wetlands as determined by the authority. Which of the following statements are true? Everyone, this question was asked in the IS 3 2019. Who is live there? Then please try to attend these questions. Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions.
उसकी उंगली भी देखी.
So this time 9 people are live there. then please try to attend these questions. That's important. That's important, and these are totally important. Well, option first is there. Under Ramsar Convention, it is mandatory on the part of Government of India to protect and conserve all the wetlands in the territory of India. That could be true. Option B, the Wetlands Convention and Management Rule 2010 were framed by the Government of India based on the recommendations of Ramsar Convention. It is also true. Third, the Wetlands Convention and the Management Rule 2010 also comprise the drainage areas and catchment region of wetlands as determined by the authority. So I have some doubts on the option number third, but these are true. So I am still waiting for your answers. This time 12 people are there who are live. Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions. I am still waiting for your answers. That which of the following is correct? Which of the following are correct? This time 11 people are live there. I don't know why I am unable to comment what is either the right or wrong. Well, now we will come on a question. Consider the following statements. A, that under Ramsar Convention, it is mandatory on the part of the Government of India to protect and conserve all the wetlands in territory of India. It's impossible. It is impossible because all wetlands are not capped. All wetlands are not declared by the Ramsar Convention. So how we can say that we will conserve all the wetlands by the rule, or you can say by the regularities of Ramsar Convention? So that is impossible. You can eliminate some options by your common mind. So option 1 is incorrect. When option 1 is incorrect. So now we will eliminate some options. That is incorrect, and that is incorrect. So now we will have to move on these two statements. Now we will come on the second option. The Wetlands Conservation and Management Rule 2010 were framed by the Government of India. Based on the recommendations of Ramsar Convention. Again, can you imagine that our country will follow all the rules and regulations of Ramsar Convention? No, because when, as I have told you, that all our wetlands are not by the rule of Ramsar Convention, then how come it's possible? So it's again incorrect. Now the third, the Wetlands Conservation and Management Rule 2010 also encompasses the drainage area or catchment region of the wetlands as determined by the authority. Yeah, that's correct. So only option third is correct. Which of the following statement is not correct? So only 3. Yeah, that option C is correct. So anyone who have given the option C is correct? No. This time no one has given an answer. Well, I know that these questions are very tricky. Well, now we move to the next question. Climate change is caused by A, greenhouse gases, B, depletion of ozone layer, C, pollution, and D, all of the above. And that question was asked in the UPPCS 2013. Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Everyone, please try to attend these questions. I am still waiting for your answers. Yeah, I am still waiting for your answers. Climate change is caused by A, greenhouse gases, B, depletion of ozone layer, C, pollution, and D, all of the above. This is a simple question, and I think all of you can answer. All of you can answer this question in a simple way. As I am saying, these are very simple questions, so you can attend these questions in a proper way. Well, I don't know why you are not interested in these questions, so I think I have to answer these questions. Well, the climate change is caused by A, greenhouse gas, B, depletion of ozone layer, C, pollution, and D, all of them. So when there will be climate change, so that will also affect the greenhouse effect, because when there will be climate change is caused by greenhouse gases. Yeah, because when there have greenhouse gas, so it will leads to it will leads to when there will be greenhouse gases, so it will leads to climate change. Leads to climate change. So that is correct. Now second is depletion of ozone layer. So it's true that when there will be any changes in the ozone layer, means there will be ozone hole, or you can say if there will be depletion in the any part of the ozone layer, so that will cause huge global warming, huge cancers, or you can say huge burning of the skin of various organisms. So that is also correct, that depletion of ozone layer will also affect the climate change. So option B is also correct. Pollution, yeah, because in pollution all pollutions are there. In pollutions all pollutions are there. That someone has answered. Yeah, Aradhya, your answer is correct. Well, Aradhya, your answer is correct. Good. So what happens there? In that depletion of ozone layer, pollution. Every type of pollution causes huge changes in the climate. Every type of pollution causes huge changes in the climate. So that is also correct, pollution. So now you can answer that which the following answer is correct. So all of the above. So option D is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. What is the greenhouse effect? 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 A, increase in global temperature. B, decrease in global temperature. C, increase in seawater temperature. And D, increase in temperature of rivers and lakes. Increase in the temperature of rivers and lakes. What is the greenhouse effect? Again, what is the greenhouse effect? Please answer these questions. A, increase in the global temperature. B, decrease in the global temperature. C, increase in the seawater temperature. And D, increase in the temperature of rivers and lakes. So when there have greenhouse effect, so first thing is there that what is greenhouse effect? What is greenhouse effect? For better understanding of greenhouse effect, take an example. Suppose I have a glass house. It's a glass house. It's a glass house, and it has a plant. It has a small plant. In that glass house, I have kept small plant. And you know that these plant will retain, or you can say will release the CO2. That will release the CO2. And I have also kept some methane in that area. So in day area, what happens there? That when sunlight will fall, when sunlight will fall on that glass, so the gases present in that area. So the gases present in that area will absorb the heat. By which was given by the sunlight. Means and due to this, and it will absorb the heat of sunlight, but it will not retain the sunlight. Means it will not retain, or you can say release the heat absorbed by these gases. So due to which after some time you will find that the temperature of that glass house will increase. The temperature of this glass house will increase. So this type of phenomenon is same happening in the environment, because our environment, or you can say our atmosphere, is also like a glass house, and by the help of ozone layer, only ultraviolet rays will be absorbed, and after that all the rays will come on the earth. So what happens there, that the gases like CO2, SO2, methane, or you can say sulfur dioxide, these gases have the capacity to absorb the sunlight, or you can say sun heat, but they doesn't retain, or you can say release at the time of night or at the time of evening. So what happens there, due to which our temperature, or you can say the global temperature, is increasing very slowly and steadily, and after some time what will happen, that the temperature will increase. So due to which there will be huge pollution. Due to which there will be huge, all the glaciers will be depleted, all the organisms who can't survive will be destroyed. So due to this, there will be no life on the earth. So we are talking about the greenhouse effect. So due to greenhouse effect, increase in the global temperature. So only option decrease is incorrect. Increase the seawater temperature is incorrect. So increase in the global temperature is correct. So only option is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. The concept of greenhouse gases was postulated by. The concept of greenhouse gases was postulated by A. C.C. Park, B. J. N. Jeffers, C. Joseph Fourier, or D. L. Jobler. It's a simple question, and I think some of you can answer that question. If it well, no one is typing, so the correct answer is Joseph Fourier. Joseph Fourier is the scientist, or you can say is the person who has postulated about the greenhouse gases as well as the greenhouse effect. So only option C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following region of India has been designated as biodiversity hotspots? Select the correct answer from the code given below. A. Eastern Himalayas, B. Western Ghats, E. Eastern Himalayas, B. Eastern Ghats, C. Western Ghats, and 4. Western Himalayas. And codes have been given. So which of the following is correct? Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Yeah, please try to attend these questions. It's mandatory. Yeah. If you have some knowledge about the biodiversity, so you can understand that what is biodiversity. When someone asks you what is biodiversity, then you can say, sir, biodiversity is a term. Biodiversity is a term in which we talk about the variation in the species of living organism. Variation in the species of living organism at a specific area. So that is known as biodiversity. And the four major reason, or you can say areas for the biodiversity are mainly Western Ghats, Eastern Himalayas, Sudaland, and you can say the Andaman Nicobar Islands. So these are the main areas these are the four main areas which are the hotspots of biodiversity. So now we will move to the next option. Answer are there. Eastern Himalayas, no. Eastern Himalayas is wrong. Eastern Ghats is also wrong. Eastern Ghats. Yeah, Eastern Himalayas is correct. Sorry, Eastern Himalayas is correct, because Eastern Himalayas, if you talk about the map of India, so this is Eastern Himalayas is correct. Eastern Himalayas is correct. Now I will elevate everything. Eastern Himalayas is correct. Eastern Ghat is incorrect. Western Ghat is correct, and Western Himalayas is incorrect. So 1 and 3. Yeah, option B is correct. So our correct option is option B. Option B. 1 and 3 is only. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Cartagena Protocol, Biosafety, I don't know. Stockholm Convention, Persist Organization, Pollutants, I don't know. C. Montreal Protocol about ozone layer, I don't know. Kyoto Protocol about seawater. I don't know anything about these answers. I am still waiting for your answers. That which of the following is not correctly matched? Which of the following is not correctly matched? So, if you have small knowledge about the environment, so you can attend these questions. This time, many people are live there, but I don't know why they are not interested. In giving answers. Well, A. Cartagena Protocol, yeah, that's totally related to biosafety, that's correct. B. Stockholm Convention, that is also related to the pollutants, that's true. C. Montreal Protocol, that is also related to ozone layer depletion, or you can say ozone layer. But Kyoto Protocol is not related to save water. Kyoto Protocol is not related to seawater, so that option B is correct. Sorry, incorrect. Now it's your duty, because Kyoto Protocol is related to biodiversity or biosafety, and now it's your duty to write minimum 3 sentences about the Kyoto Protocol in comments below. I'm still waiting for your answers. Whenever you have time, today, tomorrow, or day tomorrow, after 6 years, after 6 months, I don't know. But I will wait for 3 statements about the Kyoto Protocol. If your answers will be correct, then I will give you hard. Well, now we'll move to the next question. Greenhouse effect is enhanced in the environment due to A. Carbon monoxide, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen, D. None of the above. And that question has been asked in the UPPCS 2015. That question has been asked in the UPPCS 2015. Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend that question. Greenhouse effect is enhanced in the environment due to, means greenhouse effect have been enhanced in the environment is due to. Options are A. Carbon monoxide, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen, and D. None of the above. So in the previous question, we have talked about the greenhouse effect. We have talked about the greenhouse effect. So greenhouse effect, greenhouse gases, these are just similar because the greenhouse gases causes greenhouse effect. So mainly the gases for the, or you can say substances for the greenhouses are mainly, first thing is the water vapor. Water vapor is more responsible for the global warming, or you can say this is also an example of greenhouse gases. One is there. Second is the, you can say methane. Methane is there. Carbon dioxide is there. So these are the main things, or you can say main gases for the global warming, or you can say for the greenhouse gases. So now we'll eliminate some options. A. Carbon monoxide, that is incorrect. Carbon dioxide, that's correct. Oxygen, no, there is no role. Oxygen has no role in the biodiversity. Sorry, in the greenhouse effect. So that is incorrect. None of the above, that is also incorrect. So correct answer is carbon dioxide, because when the amount of carbon dioxide will increase in environment, so these carbon dioxide have the capability, or you can say have the ability to absorb more and more heat, so that will cause the greenhouse effect. Now we'll move to the next question. The main component of greenhouse gas is, A. Carbon dioxide, A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Nitrous oxide, and D. Ozone, and E. None of the above or more than one of the above. The 3 components of greenhouse gases is A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Nitrous oxide, and D. Ozone, and E is none of the above. The main components of greenhouse gases is, as I have told you. So now you can collect which of the following is correct. Think about the option A, because option A is always asked in the UPSC, because in Bihar PCS, they give option E. In option E, none of the above means no one is correct, or more than one means if there is more than 2 options are correct, so you can choose the option A. So well, now we'll again read the question. The main component of greenhouse gases are, as we have discussed in the previous question about greenhouse gases, that the carbon dioxide play a very important role to increase the global warming. So it's a greenhouse effect, greenhouse gas here. Methane is also responsible, that is correct. Nitrous oxide, it is also. So option E is correct, because more than one. Okay. So now now the next question is, which among the following countries has announced to impose carbon tax from 2019 to cut its greenhouse gas emission? To cut out its greenhouse emission. A. Thailand, B. China, C. Singapore, and D. Malaysia. Again, which of the following countries has announced to impose carbon tax from 2019 to cut its greenhouse gas emission? Yeah, again, this time 12 people are live there. Okay, please type out these questions. I'm still waiting for answers. and if you will not give me the answer, so I will provide you as a homework. Yeah, I will provide you as a homework. Yeah, this question is your homework. This question is your homework. Now I will enumerate some options. Now you have to choose in Thailand and in Singapore which of the following is correct. And please try to write in comment box. We are still waiting for your answers. Okay. So that's your homework. Whenever you will find that question, please write the answers. Now the next question is, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Means which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Chlorofluorocarbon, and D. Methane. Again, simple question is there. So in that question, methane is also greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide is also greenhouse gas, and chlorofluorocarbon, it is also greenhouse gas. It is also greenhouse gas. So the question is, which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? So this is incorrect, and now you have to choose in between the oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now you have to choose in between the carbon and in between the oxygen and carbon dioxide, that which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct? I don't know the answer. This answer is again your homework. This question is also again your homework, that which of the following is correct. Okay. So whenever you have time, please attend that question and write in comment box. I am still waiting for your answers. Next question is, the main component of greenhouse gas is A, that is talking about the main component, A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Nitrous oxide, and D. Ozone, and E. None of the above or more than one of the above. That question was asked in the UPSC 2019. The main components of greenhouse gases is, not are, it is asking about the is. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane. So carbon dioxide will be the correct answer. So because if it has R, so we can choose the option E, that because carbon dioxide and methane both are responsible, right? So option A is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following group of gases contributes to the greenhouse effect? Which of the following group of gases contribute to the greenhouse effect? A. Ammonia and ozone, B. Carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, C. Carbon tetrafluoride and nitrous oxide, D. Carbon dioxide and methane. Again, as we have discussed about, the same options are there again in UPSC, and that question have been again asked in the UPPCS. Which of the following pair are correct? Again, I am still waiting for answers. Many people are live there. Then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions. Well, I think you have chosen this time. 13 people are live there, but I don't know. I have tell everything about that answer. So now your duty is to write in comment box that what will be the correct answer. A. Ammonia and ozone, B. Carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, C. Carbon tetrafluoride and nitrous oxide, and D. Carbon dioxide and methane. So that is the correct answer as we have discussed in the previous option. Okay. So now we will move to the next question. Which one of the following naturally occurring greenhouse gas causes the highest percentage of greenhouse? Highest percentage of greenhouse effect. If you are watching this video since starting, so now you can answer that. That which of the following has the highest percentage? I think UPPCS, yeah, that's true. That question was asked in UPPCS. So which of the following has the highest percentage of which of the following has the highest percentage of greenhouse gas? Well, options are A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Ozone, and D. Water vapor. Again, please try to attend these questions. Highest water vapor. So when it is asked, means naturally occurring, which contributes the highest amount of as a greenhouse gas. So the correct answer for that question will be water vapor, because water vapor, these all the gases are harmful, but water vapor absorbs more energy as comparison to these gases. as compared to these gases. So the correct answer will be water vapor. Option D is correct. Now we will move to the next question. Which of the following gases is the most important for the greenhouse effect? Again, which of the following gases is the most important for the greenhouse effect? Our options are A. Carbon dioxide, methane, chlorine, nitrous oxide. Because chlorine is there, so that is incorrect. If you can eliminate some single words there, so you can answer that. B. Nitric oxide, B. Methane, ethane. Can ethane is there? So that is incorrect. C. Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. So that could be right. Could be right. I don't know about it. Option D. Carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, water vapor. Because here is carbon monoxide, so that is incorrect. So only option B is correct. C is correct. Then carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, which one of the following gas is both harmful and beneficial to life on the earth? Which of the following gas is both harmful as well as beneficial to the life on the earth? Again, I am still waiting for answers. What will be the correct answer for that question? Which of the following gases is both harmful and beneficial to life on the earth? A. Oxygen, B. Ozone, C. Nitrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Again, means this is what is the question? That which is both harmful as well as beneficial to the life on the earth. So the correct answer for that question will be carbon dioxide. Because why it's harmful? Because it causes the greenhouse effect. It causes the greenhouse effect, due to which there will be huge global warming. So there will be huge global warming. So when there will be global warming, so there will be no life on the earth. After some time, there will be no life on the earth. So that is harmful. Why it's beneficial? Because the percentage of about 0.3% of CO2 is necessary. Why it's necessary? Because plants which are producers for us, or you can say for all organisms, depends on these carbon dioxide for their food. So we can say that these are more important for the life on the earth, and these have huge both effect, that the harmful as well as the beneficial effect to the life on earth. So now we'll move to the next question. So friends, that's enough for today. I think you have liked our video, and if you have liked that video, then please like, share our video, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please hit the bell icon and please subscribe to our channel. That's mandatory. In the next class, we will again think about some new questions, some new postulates over there. So that's enough for today. Have a nice day.